Mike Innovative Door. There's two 8x6.9 3200s. Terratone. And you've seen the first video we did. The Hacks Are Us special. This is the way we roll. Just like that. You can see we just did an outstanding job here with these two low headroom 6.9 doors. I'll show you how we redid the springs. We split the shaft on them, up mounted to the ceiling mount on the op. Tight fittings right there, overlap the tracks. Okay, double O's, and the opener fit underneath the pipe. This job turned out absolutely sweet. Super smooth and quiet, complemented by the linear LDC 0800. Same thing here, split the shaft. Nice and squeaked it under the pipe. That's what you get when you call the pros. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com, 650 Ogden and Downers. Thank you for watching our expert installation of two low headroom garage doors, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.